Hi, this is Josh Harris. I'm with Citadel Roofing and Solar. We're at the new Dublin Safety Complex. It houses both the fire department and police department. We just installed 188 kW. It's about enough solar to power 70 homes. So this is a brand new building for the City of Dublin. There was an existing building here before, and they did a complete remodel. They expanded the facility, and with the solar, it should be offsetting 100% of their usage. This is a big project for both the City of Dublin and Citadel Roofing and Solar, and we're proud to be a part of it.